Here at Norfolk Saw Services, we sharpen super high-speed steel cut-off blades for a range of customers including general engineers, metal fabricators, sheet metal workers and the plastic window industry. We use a Larrock EcoStar 500 CNC grinder with CBN wheel technology and oil coolant, allowing us to achieve an outstanding standard of quality. Firstly, the information is inputted for the saw blade. The machine requires the exact diameter, number of teeth, blade thickness and tooth shape. Most commonly used are parrot tooth shapes with alternate bevel or high-low triple chip. We always select the optimum angles for the metal being cut to ensure the best results. The blade is mounted and the grinding process begins. The computer controls the saw blade feed and lift movement of the grinding head. This ensures absolute indexing precision and a perfect tooth shape. The bevels are put on after the blade has been sharpened. When finished, all blades are checked and packed, ready for collection by the customer or delivered by us on our van. All blades are serviced on a 1-week turnaround or sooner upon request.